Hi guys, let me show you my nail kit for the hybrid nails from Claresa brand, but there are many brands similar who offer same kits, but this one works for me. It's not super expensive, so it's not like super professional, but at the same time, well, with if I have an hour or so, I can do long-term polish myself whenever and basically wherever is convenient for me. So let me show you what is included in this kit. First of all, let me show you the liquids. These are quite a big in volumes. I guess it's 100 milligrams as well. Yes, it's a cleaner pro nails with which you cleanse your, you remove all your polish from the nails. Then you take one of those wipes, which are also included, or usual cotton balls, and clean your nails from any residues that may be left there. This one, remover, you use when you want to remove your polish. It works quite well as well. And by the way, I'm using this aluminium squares to fix my tissue with this remover on the nail. I just put it like this, well, basically, and it's, if you do it with both hands it works better, but still it fixes your tissue with the remover, and then you spend some time like this, and then you just take it off, and using, for example, something like this, the wooden stick, you can also correct the polish while it's still soft. And at the same time with this end, as you can see, I've already used it, you can remove the polish when you want to either remove it completely or put another one. In my case, for example, like this, I did it a few days ago. It's my third time. By the way, what I mean by correcting the polish is cases like this. It's not ideal, as you can see, but it was worth. And I suddenly understood why most of the nail masters, once they put your polish on your nail, they put your hand like this, and you're sitting there like this for some time, just because they want to make sure that your gel goes to the center rather than to the side, like in my case here. So I fixed, it was a bit worse, so I fixed it with the stick, but still it's not that ideal, but well, it's not super visible. Overall, it's fine. The more you do it, the more accurate and the more nice and clean it will be. So it's not difficult at all. So in this particular case, we have remover, cleanser. Cleanser before, remover when you want to remove it, when it grows, for example. In my case, I have two polishes. The one which is included in this set is this one. It's quite nice. It is bright, but at the same time it's not, it's classical, I would say. And this one is nude, which I bought separately. And it's hybrid, so you can actually use UV lamp as well as LED lamp. It's nice as well. Basically it's neutral, but at the same time it changes slightly colors depending on the light and depending on the cloth, the colors which are around it, like cloths you're wearing, or etc, etc. So I will show you this one later when I have it on my nails. So also we have, after you cleaned your nails, you just turn the lamp on. It's not the most powerful, but for the home environment, it's nice. It's not too expensive. It is included as well. Let me show you what does it look like. So the lamp itself, in this case, looks like, just a second, like this. So basically, you just take it off. Yeah, keep it in the bag to make sure it's not damaged. Well, now it can be. So you just place it on your table and turn it on. And there's different intervals: 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds. But at the same time, I usually use 90 seconds for like 5 times. for each layer. But you can actually take your hand out of this system, and without pressing any button, the light will go off. And then once you insert your hand again, the light will turn on automatically for 100 seconds. So it's quite convenient. So as you can see, you could put it anywhere on the flat surface, basically. I put it on my table. And by the way, if there is, for example, if you're on the go or somewhere, like maybe in a bus or something, on a train, as I imagine some of us have quite a hectic life, you can actually, there is no socket for it, you can actually, turn on your lamp using USB from your laptop, for example. Well, for those of us who are super busy and do many things on the go, or for moms like myself who need everything to be quick and convenient, and the timetable is unpredictable. So here we have remover. I'll just put it away for you to get a better idea what is included. Cleaner, which I already showed the tissues. It's about 1, 2, 3. Well, you can actually divide it in at least 3. So, well, this one set will probably last for 5 times approximately, but in majority of cases I use just the cotton pads. You know, some basic nail polishing tools. This one is included, as I said. This one you can actually buy separately. It's just the color, but these as well as these will work with the base and top, which are included in the set. Base is quite a basic one, but at the same time it's nice, it's not bad. It doesn't dry totally, so it will be a bit sticky even after you've spent like 5 minutes or so in the lamp. So don't be surprised, and try not to touch anything before you put color and top coat on. And the top coat doesn't require any wiping off, and you just put it. You put your base. You spend a few minutes in the lamp, then you put your color, any of those. It can be red, or it can be nude. Then you spend a few minutes in the lamp, and then you put. Meanwhile, while you have your base or your color on your nails, please do not assume that it's already hardened. No matter how long you spend in the lamp, my experience showed me that it will not be hard until you put your top on your nails. And after a few minutes with your top on in the lamp, you'll notice that everything, your nails your polish became harder, as as it usually happens in beauty salons, for example. Yes, and after a few minutes with your top on in the lamp, you'll be finished basically, and you'll have nails like this, or even better if you try harder, or if you have more time and more experience, or if you're in a less of a hurry. But I guess it's satisfactory for me. And this one lasts for 3-4 weeks. The main thing that makes me remove it usually, it's the gap which appears between your cuticle and your nail polish. So this is, now we don't have any because this polish I did a few days ago. So I assume that as usual it will last a few weeks, and then I will just remove it and put another one, probably this one, and I will show you how it looks. So I hope this review was helpful. Claresa brand, I know that it's sold in Europe. I'm not sure about States, but this one I can recommend. It was about 39 euros, about $42 to $45. Maybe you will be able to find it cheaper, but still, if you consider that even with only one color, this one, it will last for at least, I don't know, 10, 15 polishes, maybe even more. So it's quite an affordable option. and well, it lasts. It looks not bad basically. So please do go and try if you want, and subscribe and comment, like or dislike. Any reaction is greatly appreciated. Thank you guys. Have a great day.